All right, let's take you live outside the Wyndham Grand Clearwater Beach. Now, we've been watching a lot of sea fog here over the last several days. A lot of times it's been just offshore, but today has been clear almost all day. A little bit of a light breeze out there coming in out of the west. Just a sea breeze that's coming on shore, and that is it. And I only mention that because it's been glassy the last couple of days. 77 right now. Dew point has dropped just a little bit down to 60 degrees, so a little less humid out there. We've got 78 in Lutz, 80 in Plant City, 73 in Dunedin, 75 in Seminole. Water temperature right now in Pier 60 is at 68. That's really starting to come back up. Oh, that's fluctuate a little bit, probably come back down around 65, 66 or so. But overall, between now and even the end of next week, it will be coming back up close to 70 degrees. So 72 air temperature in Crystal River. Sarasota at 78, and look at that, 83 in Frostproof right now. Clear skies for most of us, but if you look at the visible satellite, you can see these little small clouds that popped up in the daytime heating. That's it. No rain out of those. They're falling apart now. So your Friday evening really looks actually nice, falling down through the 70s and 60s. But notice we do have a weather impact alert that gets going this evening and will push all the way through about 10 in the morning. That's for fog. Again, it's the same stuff that we've been dealing with, and I think we're actually going to get it on Saturday night and Sunday morning as well. Here's what it looks like about 9 o'clock. Patchy fog along the coast, but then notice it starts to develop further inland by about midnight or so. That's tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. You can see, especially along and west of I-75, some patchy fog, and then it burns off very quickly. Very similar setup as we get into your Sunday morning as well. So here is your Saturday forecast. 81, yeah, close to 80, 81 for a daytime high. We'll get rid of that fog first thing in the morning and then see nothing but sunshine and one or two little clouds in the afternoon. Our weather impact alert, obviously tonight through 10 a.m. tomorrow morning, again for the fog. And you might as well just, in fact, you know what, I'm going to put Saturday on there as well, Saturday night and Sunday. Just to slow down a little bit. Don't forget to use those low beams if you do get into that fog. All right, boating forecast. North winds to the northwest, basically light and variable, but that northwest to west is a light sea breeze. It's like what we see out there right now. Got a buddy that's going out. I think he said tomorrow. Looks good. I even heard Viz is looking pretty good offshore. Smooth on the bay, 68 in the water. Again, that'll fluctuate just a little bit, but not much wind at all, and that's good news. That's not the best news. We do have some red tide here just east of the Skyway Bridge. This is where we see it every now and then. But if you head further south, they're actually starting to get a little bit more of an issue. Red tide naturally occurs offshore here. But the discharge coming from Lake Okeechobee is coming out, and you can see Sanibel dealing with it. And it's starting to affect people's eyes and scratchy throats, that type of thing. So if you are headed down in that direction for this weekend, keep that in mind. There's a 7-day forecast. If you have outdoor plans for Super Bowl, I mean, we'll be about 80 for the afternoon, but 6 o'clock game time falling slowly down through the low to mid 70s.